Hi, this is Zach Muir from Zach's Traders Cafe with a look at some bulletin board hero stocks for Monday the 4th of July. Starting off with Asia Met Resources, where we've got lightly break to the upside within this symmetrical triangle consolidation feature which has been in place since the beginning of April. End of day close above the 50-day moving average at 2.32 should take the shares as high as 3 pence, perhaps as soon as the end of July. Aggressive traders be buying any dips towards the 200-day moving average at 1.79 pence. That's also the end of day close stop loss on the latest bull idea. Looking forward, going forward rather, to GCM Resources, and interesting looking chart here as well. Looks like the shares are ready to deliver a new leg to the upside. End of day close above the 50-day moving average at 14.12 pence should be enough to start the process of eventual move over to 30 pence, which is the top of this rising April price channel. RSI is also looking healthy in the sense that we've broken this downtrend line from April and are back above RSI 50. So aggressive traders be going long already, looking for that 30 pence target over the next 1 to 2 months. Stop loss at this stage back below the 10-day moving average at 11.78 pence. You can see there's plenty of support there at and above 10 pence over the last 2 to 3 months. Keras is next, Keras Resources, and another stock poised near the 50-day moving average, should push through or maintain the recovery of the last few sessions on an end of day close above that. If you're cautious, maybe wait for a break of 1.2 pence, which is basically last month's intraday high. Overall target here over the next couple of months as high as 2 pence, which is the top of this rising January trend channel. Stop loss back below 0.9 pence, which was Friday's intraday low. Next up, a stock which I haven't covered for quite a while, but Minco looking very healthy indeed, with the latest bounce above the 200-day moving average at 0.8 pence and straight through on a weekly close above the 0.91 pence. 50-day moving average above the 50-day line, looking for a top of December price channel target as high as 1.4 pence as soon as the end of this month. Stock which covered recently, which is starting to bubble higher, is Noricum Gold. Good support points here above the 200-day moving average at 0.13 pence, weekly close above the 50-day line at 0.17 pence, pointing us to a 0.27 pence target over the next 4 to 6 weeks. RSI also looking, well, it's also already backed the move to the upside with that extended floor at the neutral 50 level. Next up, Rapid Cloud, which is a stock which was covered recently, but delivered a final bear trap rebound from below the 200-day moving average at 28.33 pence. But the gaps to the upside indicate decent momentum and a possible best case scenario target here as high as 60 pence over the next 1 to 2 months. Stop loss at this stage probably back below 30 pence is about the best we can manage there, 30 pence being the area of the 20-day moving average. Ideally, the shares won't actually dip below the 50-day average at 35.62. Finishing off with Sunrise Resources, and here you can see the way that we've got this consolidation between the 50 and 200-day moving averages. That should resolve to the upside, especially with the RSI now back above 50. Be cautious, maybe wait for an end-of-day close above the latest resistance at 0.2 pence, but it looks like enough work has been done here to give us an eventual 2 to 3 months target from at the top of a rising September price channel from last year at 0.45 pence, and that could be served up, as I said, over the course of the rest of the summer. Stop loss back below the 0.15, which is the floor of last year's trend channel. That's it for me. More updates early on Tuesday.